This mining solution is a 50 TPH silica sand process and upgrading plant. The size range of the raw silica sand is 0 to 5 mm. The raw ore contains big-grained silica sands which need to grind to a small size, and the final product size requirement is 20 to 140 mesh. This complete process plant mainly includes 7 systems: washing, grinding, scrubbing, gravity separation, classification, magnetic separation, dewatering, and tailing water recycling system. 1. The raw sand is dumped into the hopper by an excavator or dump truck. With a belt conveyor feeder under the hopper, the material is transported to first trommel screen evenly. 2. With mesh size 20 mesh, first trommel screen can screen out larger than 20 mesh material convey to a fine ore bin, and less than 20 mesh material flows into the next washing machine attrition scrubber. 3. From the fine ore bin, the sand is transported to the ball mill evenly by an electromagnetic vibrating feeder under the bin. 4. Ball mill can grind coarse-grained silica sand to powder size, and discharge it from the ball mill pump into second trommel screen for further screening. Larger than 20 mesh sand goes to the fine ore bin and is transported to the ball mill for re-grinding. Less than 20 mesh sands flow into attrition scrubber. 5. Attrition scrubber is widely used in silica sand washing and scrubbing. It can break up materials and release the silica thoroughly from Fe2O3, TO2, MnO2, and Cr2O2. 6. Then use the spiral chute separator machine for gravity separation, which can separate out most of the heavy minerals. With two-stage processing, the middling from the first stage spiral chute will go to the second stage to separate again, which will ensure a higher grade CO2 and also release the workload for the following machines. 7. The concentrate from two stages spiral chute pump into the classification tower. It's a combination of classification machines that consists of a thickening cone, hydraulic classification drum, and trommel screen. The thickening cone can remove wastewater mud, hydraulic classification drum and trommel screen can classify size range 20 to 140 mesh for the final product. 8. Next step is the magnetic separation stage. We adopt 3 different magnetic separators: wet drum magnetic separator, plate magnetic separator, and high gradient magnetic separator. The purpose is to remove iron as less as possible, making the silica sand purer. The final iron content can reduce to 100 to 200 ppm. 9. After magnetic separation, the material goes to a dewatering system with equipment thickening cone and dewatering screen. The final product will convey to a stockpile, size 20 to 140 mesh. 10. All tailing water pumps to the cone thickener directly. The thickener is for accelerating the precipitation of tailing water. The overflow from the thickener can flow to the clear water pool directly. The underflow goes to the plate and frame filter press for filtering. Then the water can be recycled for use again. Please note different requirements and mineral information. The solution will be different. The capacity for this processing plant can be customized as per request, such as 30 TPH, 50 TPH, 100 TPH, 200 TPH, etc.